Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of oats. That's right, we're talking about oatmeal, a versatile and nutritious superfood that deserves a spotlight. Stick around as we explore the incredible health benefits of oatmeal and share some delicious ways to incorporate it into your daily routine. Oatmeal not only nutritious, but they're also naturally gluten-free, which are useful for a lot of people. There are 7 types of oats available in market. Oat groats, steel-cut oats, regular rolled oats, quick-cook rolled oats, instant rolled oats. What kind of oats do you use? Let's kick things off with the numerous health benefits of oatmeal. First and foremost, oats are packed with fiber, which is fantastic for digestion and helps keep you feeling full longer. They're also a great source of important vitamins and minerals, including iron, magnesium, and B vitamins. Plus, oatmeal is known to help lower cholesterol and regulate blood sugar levels, making it a heart-healthy choice. So, whether you're looking to maintain a healthy heart, support digestion, help fatty liver disease, or just stay energized throughout the day, oatmeal has got you covered. Now that we know how amazing oatmeal is for our health, let's talk about some creative and delicious ways to incorporate it into our diet. Of course, the classic way to enjoy oatmeal is as a warm, comforting bowl. Cook it with milk or water. Add your favorite toppings like fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey, and voila! A nutritious and delicious breakfast is ready to go. For those of you with a busy morning routine, overnight oats are a game changer. Combine oats with your choice of liquid, yogurt, and toppings in a jar. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and wake up to a ready-to-eat, no-fuss breakfast. Feeling a bit more adventurous? Try adding oats to your smoothies. It adds a creamy texture and boosts the nutritional content of your favorite blend. Throw in some fruits, a scoop of yogurt, and a handful of oats. Blend it up, and you're good to go. Oatmeal isn't just for breakfast, it makes delicious cookies too. Replace some of the flour in your favorite cookie recipe with oats for a chewy, wholesome treat. And there you have it, folks. Oatmeal is not only a nutritional powerhouse, but also incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether you're enjoying it as a comforting bowl in the morning or getting creative with recipes, oats are a fantastic addition to any diet. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed our oatmeal tips, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our tasty and informative content. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay healthy and happy eating.